Right.
Hey guys, Kiran Reddy Abdullah here from High Teaching Academy. So welcome to day 10 of Project 365 Learning Technology. So in the last class, we started working on how to create files and folders on our Linux system. So we have seen commands like how to use touch to create a file, how to use mkdir to create a folder. Yes. So this is what we have seen in the last class. Now, in today's class, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple files and multiple folders. That's right, guys. See, with touch, I can create a single file. Yeah, that's easy. So if I simply say touch, and if I say file.txt, this can go ahead, this can create a file. This is very easy. Mkdir folder, this can go ahead, this can create a folder. Very simple. But my goal is I want multiple files. I want multiple folders. Yes, I want multiple files and multiple folders. So how am I going to do this? How am I going to create multiple files? How am I going to create multiple folders? Well, this is where I'm going to introduce your term basic functions. Now, before that, I can simply do that with touch. Like here, if I say touch file1.txt, I can do this, file2.txt, file3.txt. We can work in this way. Like touch can create multiple files like this. Even with make directory mkdir, I can go ahead, I can say folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. I can do this. This is not a problem. But what I want is now, what if I want 1,000 files? Okay. What if I want 1,000 folders? How am I going to do it? So first, let me clear all the files, guys. So you see this, I don't have any files. I don't have any folders. I just deleted them. I'm going to show you how to delete the files and folders as well. But now imagine if I want 1,000 files, I want 1,000 folders. How do we do it? So this is where I'm going to introduce to you a concept called as brace expansion. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you some basics of mathematics here. I'm sure you guys would have been already aware of it. So brace expansion, like you see, like open curly brackets, or this is also called as sets. Yeah, sets. So how brace expansion works, guys, like simple mathematical function. So if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, we know the output, right? The output is 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. Yeah. Same thing if I say 2, 2, 3, 4, you know the output. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Yes. So similarly, I can also go ahead, I can mix a combination of alphanumerical variants. Like if I say 1, A, B, C, this is going to be 1A, 1B, 1C, right? So I can go ahead, I can start mixing multiple different functions with it and so on and so forth. Now, similarly, if I want to go ahead, I want to create a file. So I can say file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the output will be file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. And if I add an extension at the end, if I add an extension, like if I say file 1, 2, 3 dot txt, this is going to be file 1 dot txt, file 2 dot txt, file 3 dot txt. Yeah. So this is a simple mathematical functions, guys. And now if I want to provide a set of values, like if I want to provide a set or a limit, so I can say file 1 up to, rather than saying 1, 2, 3, 4, I can say file 1 up to 100 or 1 up to 1,000, okay, followed by the extinction. So now if I simply say touch file, open brackets, okay, followed by the limit, like how many number of files do you want? So here I want 1,000 files. So I'm going to say 1,000 dot txt enter. If I say list, just look at it, guys. Just look at the number of files that we have here. we have around 1,000 files that has been created just like that. Now, similarly, with make directory also, I can perform the same action. So I can say mkdir folder. Yes, I want to create folders, right? I can say folder, open brackets. Okay. And I'm going to give the limit. I'll say 1 up to 100. Yeah, because I'll just create 100 folders. Be it 100, be it 1,000, be it 10,000, it's going to be the same process. So make directory folder followed by the name of the folder that you want to set and followed by the limit. And I'm going to say enter. Now, if I say list, so look at this, guys. We have 1,000 files and we have 100 folders that have been created just with some simple commands. So this is the beauty of Linux, guys. This is why Linux is most widely used operating system in the world. And this is the most fastest operating system in the world. Yeah. So in today's class, I've shown you how to create multiple files, how to create multiple folders with the help of touch. In the next class, I'm going to show you how to start removing files, removing folders. How do we remove multiple files, multiple folders in a similar process, but with a different command? Yeah. So if you like the content and if you are enjoying the subject, kindly do share, follow, and subscribe. And see you guys tomorrow with a new concept on Linux. Thank you, guys.